Welcome back to Living Dayton on your Friday. Are you looking to take your Memorial Day menu to the next level? Well, we've got you covered with 2 mouth-watering recipes. In the sponsored segment, chef and lifestyle expert Parker Wallace teamed up with the Ohio Pork Council to help you celebrate the holiday weekend with bold flavors on the grill.
Hey grill lovers, I'm firing up a delicious Memorial Day menu thanks to my friends from the Ohio Pork Council. We're honoring the farmers who make it all happen with 2 scrumptious recipes guaranteed to impress. Let's kick things off with these grilled pork kebabs. They're easy to prep, quick to grill, and loaded with flavor. Pork is such a versatile and affordable protein, and kebabs are perfect for feeding a crowd without breaking the budget. I like to marinate tenderloin for a few hours in some lemon juice, slices of lemon, ground cumin, fresh garlic, and olive oil. Skewer the cubes of tenderloin with fresh pineapple, red onion, pepper, and cherry tomatoes, and throw those bad boys on the grill for about 4 minutes per side. You'll want to cook pork tenderloin to an internal temperature of 145 degrees, then let it rest for a few minutes before serving. The result? Juicy, tender bites of pork with those beautiful grill marks. Next up, grilled pork sliders with a smoky garlic chipotle mayo. These are packed with flavor thanks to ground pork, bacon, sautéed shallots, jalapenos, and fresh cilantro. Grill these sliders about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Then we're going to top them with that creamy, sweet and spicy chipotle mayo. All you do is add 4 to 5 tablespoons of chipotle peppers and adobo sauce, fresh garlic, a squeeze of lemon, honey, a pinch of salt, and then whisk till smooth. Now that is next level pork perfection. To grab these recipes and learn more about Ohio's amazing pig farming families, head to ohpork.org. Happy Memorial Day and happy grilling.
That was Parker Wallace reporting. And again, check out ohpork.org for more information. And be sure to follow Parker on social media at Parker's Plate. And this segment was sponsored by the Ohio Pork Council.